bronchopulmonary segment. These are segments in the lungs. They are well defined in anatomical, functional, and surgical aspect. The segment is aerated by a tertiary bronchus, and each segment is pyramidal in shape, and the apex lies towards the root of the lung. Then each segment has a tertiary bronchus, the segmental artery, and autonomic nerve and lymph vessels. The segmental vein lies the connective tissue in between the adjacent segment. In the segment there is segmental artery, autonomic nerve and lymph vessel, but the segmental veins are lies in connective tissue between the adjacent segment. Each segment has its own separate artery and the branch of pulmonary artery accompanying with the bronchi. And the artery lies dorsolateral to the bronchus. Then the pulmonary vein do not accompany with the bronchus. Then each segment has more than one vein which drain the more than one segment. Then the pulmonary segment does not have its own vein. The vein may be more variable than artery, and the artery may be more variable than the bronchus. And there are 10 segments in the right lung and 10 segments in the left lung. So in the right lung, there are 3 lobes: superior lobes, middle lobe and inferior lobes. In superior lobes, there are 3 segments. At first, apical. You can see the diagram where number 1 is marking. This is the apex, मतलब सबसे ऊपर में है. So this is apical. Then the 2 is posterior. You can see that in the diagram, and the 3 anterior. Then 4 the lateral side. Then number 5 segment is medial. Then 6 one is superior. Then 7 one is medial vessel. Then 8 one is anterior vessel. 9 number is lateral vessel, and posterior 10 number is posterior vessel. You have to see the diagram very attentively so that you can understand the segment of the lung. Then the pulmonary segment in the left lung. There are 2 lobes, upper lobes and lower lobes. In upper lobes there are 5 segments, and lower lobes there are 5 segments. In upper lobes, apical, posterior, anterior and superior, lingual and inferior lingual. And the lower part one is superior, medial vessel, anterior vessel, lateral vessel and posterior vessel. The applied of the pulmonary segment are usually the infection of pulmonary segment remain restricted in it. मतलब एक ही segment में अगर infection हुआ तो usually it is restricted in that segment only. But in tuberculosis and bronchocarcinoma may be spread to the other segment. Arrangement of the segment permit the surgeon to remove diseased part of the lung with minimum disturbance to the surrounding tissue of the lung. तो ये segmented होने की वजह से हम अगर निकलना चाहते हैं तो किसी एक सेगमेंट में अगर डिजीज हुआ तो उसी सेगमेंट को हम निकल सकते हैं without harming or disturbing the other tissue of the lung. There are considerable clinical importance because disease process in the lung may be limited to one or more segment, which can be identified by passing the bronchoscope down the trachea and examining the opening of the terminal bronchus.